Today we are going to talk about ACCA. What are the doubts which pops out to your mind? I'm going to do it as a Q&A session. All right, I'm going to answer whatever the doubts that you get. It's about ACCA again, and I would like to ask you to remain on the video until the end because I'm going to tell you something really important and very valuable matter to you. So stay tuned. First question will be, what is ACCA? ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, which is a financial accounting qualification where you will be getting the recognition of a global charter. Question number 2, the global recognition of the qualification. I would rather say when it's come to financial qualifications, ACCA is globally number 1. The recognition goes across 183 countries, including Sri Lanka. So, by far, ACCA is the best financial accounting professional qualification. We are going to talk about the duration. How long will it take to complete ACCA? If you properly followed your exams and your classes, you will be able to complete ACCA within 2 years' time, not more than that. Worst case, 2.5 years. Question number 4. We are going to talk about the structure of ACCA. Basic idea is ACCA comprised with 3 levels, which is the first one, knowledge level. You have 3 subjects to complete in knowledge, and the second level we used to call it applied skills level. So you have 6 subjects there, and the final level, which is professional level. So you have 4 subjects. Actually, you have 2 essential subjects compulsory, and there are 4 other subjects where you can choose 2 subjects out of that. So eventually the final level you have to complete 4. So first level 3, second level 6, and the final one 4. Altogether you have 13 subjects to complete to get your ACCA qualification. Question number 5, entry requirements. So what is the minimum requirements that you're required to get into ACCA? Actually, before 2010 there are a bunch of requirements were there, but now it's absolutely like if you're 16 plus, you can start. That's the only barrier that you have. All you need to become 16. That's it. After that, you can start your ACC. Question number 6, which is exemptions. So you might have done other qualifications. Certain qualifications are there where it will give you an advantage. Certain subjects or certain levels will be released in ACCA. So, for an example, if you're a person who have completed AAT, this is an example, right? So, if you have completed AAT, you don't have to do ACCA first level. You can straight away start from the second level, which is skills. So, likewise, there are other qualifications. So, if you have done in qualification, what you can do is you can apply for exemption from ACCA Global, and they will let you know within 2 to 3 working days what are the exemptions. If you have exemptions, they will let you know. If you don't, that also they will let you know. And if you have exemptions, they will let you know how many subjects, how many levels that you're getting exempted. And one more thing, this is very important. This is actually an exemption that you get through ACCA. As I told you, ACCA first level, which will take 6 months to complete, and the second level, there are 6 subjects, which will take 1 year to complete. So within 1.5 years time, you will be able to complete 2/3 of ACCA, and you will get a designation of Advanced Diploma in Financial Accountancy. Plus, ACCA have an agreement with Oxford Brookes University of London, which is a UK university, highly ranked, and UGC recognized university. What's the agreement? If you have completed ACCA first and the second level, you are eligible to get Oxford Brookes University's applied accountancy degree, BSc honors degree, by just submitting the final thesis, which will take only 2 to 3 months to get the degree, which means within 2 years, as I told you, within 2 years you can complete your ACCA, which is a professional qualification, plus you will be able to get your degree as well. Within 2 years time, you can get both. 7th question will be exams. There are 2 types of exams in ACCA. 1, OTQs. 2, it's online, though it's essay type. the structural exams. So these are the two types of exams that you have. Out of 13 subjects, first level, all three subjects will be OTQs. What is this OTQs? OTQs, objective test questions. That means if you are doing on a paper, we used to call it MCQs. That means if it's an online paper, which is MCQ, we used to call it OTQs, objective test questions. So it's pretty much simple. You'll be getting 2-hour paper, and you have to score only 50. If you score 50, you're pass. That is OTQ, entire first level, and one subject in your second level will be OTQ. Rest of the 9 subjects will be structural, not papers. Those exams also online, computer based, but it's a structural paper. So those are the two types of exams you will be facing in ACCA. Question number 8. It's about the cost. Very important question. So how much do you have to spend to complete ACCA? Basically, there are two types of costs that you have to bear. One, the tuition providers, the course providers. You have to spend a certain amount for them. The second type of cost will be the UK payments for ACCA Global, for the exams, UK membership, registration, and so on and so forth. So these are the two types of payments that you have to make. First one, for the local tuition provider, as an average, you have to spend somewhere around 240,000 to 300,000. In between, it will fall somewhere in between them. Second type of payment, which is related to UK, which I can tell you in sterling pounds, GBP. All right, it will cost you somewhere around 1,800 to 2,000 pounds, maybe in between that. So this is the total cost that you're gonna bear in ACCA. Question number 9, which is another very important question. What is the opportunities? What are the jobs that you're gonna get through ACCA? ACCA is a specialized finance qualification. It's a professional qualification based on finance, a chartered based qualification. So you are a very, very specialized niche finance person. So you can apply in management accounting, financial accounting, in anything related to financial account and accounts department. You can be an accountant, you can be a finance specialist, you can be a finance analyst, you can even go up to CFO. That's the global standard. If you have ACCA, with experience and performance, you can become a chief financial officer in a reputed organization, and you may go through all those chief financial officers reputations and their designations. You will see a common factor, which is ACCA. So that's the recognition and the quality of the product. Finally, I would like to tell you about Achievers. Why would you choose us, Achievers? Because we have an experience of 20 years in this professional qualification lecturing, and ACCA, we are doing it for past 12 to 15 years. Yeah, so highly experienced, and the lecture panel, very, very stable lecture panel. For past 6 to 7 years, we haven't changed the lecture panel for no reason. Why? Because the lecturers are proving their worth, because we have 24 world prizes and 244 island prizes. By far from any institute, this is the highest number. So that reflects the value of the lecture panel and the stability and the quality. So further, the flexibility in payment terms and the memberships that you can get. There are normal membership, platinum membership. You can select any of that and you will get installment basis payment. These sort of flexible methods are there. At the same time, the friendly environment that you get inside the organization, with lecturers, with the employees, whatever the job that you have to do with them, they will be always there to help you. So that environment is already created, and the culture is very friendly. It's not that formal. It's very friendly culture inside here. And one of the most important point I want to emphasize is, when it comes to classes, most of the places are offering you online, but here in the same class, it's a hybrid method. You get physical, online, Even though you attended these physical online or not, you will be getting the recordings anyway. So these advantages are there. And uh, last but not least, you will get individual attention through SDL lecture panel. What is this SDL? Student Development Lecturers. So these people are assistant lecturers of the main lecture panel. So what they will be doing, if you need any personal attention and caring, you can like ask for SDLs. So you will get one-to-one support for your subjects. So these are the benefits that you get through Achievers. Now we have reached the end of this video, and I have promised you initially that I will be giving you a valuable information. Yes, I'm going to do that now. And before that, I'm going to just inform you about a very important matter where we are having a fast track. If someone has this accounting knowledge already, so some extent, they can select this fast track for the first level, where they don't have to spend 6 long months, where they can complete their first level within 3 months. So that advantage also there. And now I'm gonna inform you about the scholarship that we are gonna provide for the student who are watching this video. The below description you can see a link. Click that, which is a form. Fill and apply for your scholarship. You'll be getting attractive scholarship. One of our counselors will contact you and explain about the scholarship that you awarded. So I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all the best for your future. Good luck.